Man-made water, and the water's not man-made. The fountain. Is it nature? What's making the reflections? Sheila Finkelstein, Technology for Seniors, Made Easy. Nature videos, day 4. Plants, trees, and still into the wind and the sky. I don't know if you can see the clouds moving. Peaceful, steady. Rhythms of nature. I don't know where I'm going with this series. I'm looking around and being more. On the way to the parking lot, where my car is after the fountain videos, I saw these little flowers moving. Geez, the tiny little puffy things remind me of the dandelions. I don't think they're dandelions. Let's see if we take one and we can blow it. I should turn to me to see about blowing. Nope, they don't blow off like the dandelion puffs did. And little purple flowers. Just finding their way up in the world. 2 little twins meet together. Hard to see, so don't know what's coming up in the light. That's it. Sheila Finkelstein, Technology for Seniors Made Easy. Do treasure your life now.